Wagwan ENT.
Well, big request to Bonnie General, fresh from foreign. Skullman, an article, Papa San. Cockatoo, a combiner. Flower gun, lizard, red dragon, tin, and all the rest of entertainer them there. Well, Silverfinger, enough respect, Gamma Way and Gemini. Well, you see me no ramp with the business. He's a dragon and lizard and cockatoo, see? Well, hear this now. A rubbered up sound, this now, I know it's not a soul sound who play DJ thing and go round. Listen to this. Slaughter is come.
They can run away from their judgment day. They can run away.
Kitty, because you know anytime we come is death. Special request to them like Cockatoo, Skullman, Red Dragon, Lizard, Anthony Redrose, and I'm Daddy Son, Mother Elfrid, Lady Preacher, Bummy Rankin, Dirtsman, Blatty Rankin, DJ like Rice Cream. Come down, my selector, cause we are running this year, now Lady G all time. Come down. Easy. Now, please, Mr. Bongo side, on the massive side. Now, be a cowl side. Mucho. Search it. Bitches. I'll deliver you.
They run away from their judgment day. They can run away from a judgment day. It was a weak people who were took us in chains.
Rubber dub sound and plays about to listen.
Nothing here to see.
Do it.
You know just what life would be.
Black people live a life, but love a life to live.
For parents were used as slaves. They had no choice, so they could stay in vain. But somehow they feel regret when everything is start to live and
Man like Frank Conero,
no matter what
Daddy Bounty, Puppet String Jack and no massive. Get on the open massive.
I know they'll have to pay
And on the wheel of the sassy.
on a judgment day. If they try to
Billy.
every one of them will tumble down. Yeah, the days are
Special request to the man like Big Belly Belly in the place. Article done. Seen cast on this year, John of Gear. I come to man like Coco Kush and T. They are live and they're going to the place and thing. Now my mistake on give me straight to man like players. Now come down my selector. I don't think it's years. Article.
Big up man, I'm
See?
one man, road area type man.
All lovely.
Papa San, Bonnie General, Dirtsman.
Now ranking Jawiani. Dan.
And now
Let
I'm
the
going to the
reason.
creation dance. Skin out! I don't know who they are now. Flyers. And the short man in the dance floor. Come in, Flyers!
Alex.
All our girls want
Point.
Chili.
Easy. Stiffy. One time.
Chili.
Follow it.
Creation town, we come to run the town.
Hold up. And come again, the selector, because we're not can see. Hold it down, kid, because we are running things this year.
Big up, man. I mean, said one
I want to
road
stop
area
drag here.
type, man. Papa San, Bonnie General, Dirtsman. But we still not live out kid, you know. And now I'm going to the creation dance. Skin out! I don't know who they are now. Flyers. And the short man in the dance floor. Come in, Flyers!
Lovely. Now one side, Errol. And I deliver a massive bull tight. All walks with crew, mommy, a massive bull tight.
Creation town, we come to run the town.
Follow it.
We are going on the road, run it too long, we are cut the tree bush and move again. Pull out bingo! And we have suppliers, mix up them brains, man, they can't tell you, man. We just have come down, we just have come down.
Watch him. Follow it. Follow me, no massive, no follow me, no good. Long on my leg, back on the place and things, see?
Down with that skull, no duck. Respect you to the max. Every time you zoom. Come in there. Yeah. Down with my like kid around in other place and things. I want to do the kids on me bubbling. No easy the whole time. General easy. Slater. I want to be a dirt man. Yeah, now is the son. See? Now massive voltage. I respect you. Yeah. How is it? Now crazy cover there. Our intention. Now Mr. Bangles. And our cool time. They can't run the coffee run things this here. Run the coffee run things this here. Run. What up? I'm again causing us with the nice and love to the people them. Don't run intention carry their life on deck every time. Let's have my selector carry there. All the man has the yeah. Now go all tight. Swing. Easy sign. All tight. Respect. Follow me. Lord have mercy. But if you know anybody where I fight against a black, put your hand in the ear and make your leg toe shot. Toe shot off from Mr. Bota. Toe shot off from Margaret Tasha. Toe shot off from real. I'm again the selector. And also with it nice and easy. Well, today I put clients say you some breeder shot lick down them. I tell us it's detrimental businessman. I say the sun pass through his detrimental things. If you know anybody way up against black, put your hand in the ear and make your leg toe shot. Toe shot off from Mr. Porter. Toe shot off from Margaret Tasha. Toe shot off from Dirty Interlock. Toe shot off from Batty Fallera. Toe shot off from Pussy Sucker. Toe shot off from Tifa Rubber. Pull up your one away to the father. If I like then flash him take. Hold it. Don't bounce the turntable, see? We can't take the man and we have passed on this one. See? I wear Redrose. Now Red Dragon, I want to step up to you, because Redrose and Lizard are right beside me. And Mr. Dragon, I want to step up because Bonnie and I want to touch it set speed, see? I'm going to touch it one more time and let it have, because I respect you, because it scratched from me a while ago. Now here's the Lizard. One time. Lord of mercy. Hey, oh Lord of mercy. Well, there's an end of the party. Come there's somebody feeling Irie. Lord of mercy. But if you know anybody where you fight against black, put your hand in the day and make your leg toe shot. Toe shot off from Mr. Porter. Toe shot off from Batty Fallera. Toe shot off from Margaret Tasha. Toe shot off from Tifa Rubber. Just we have your one, you know, love Batty man. Show up your one, you know, like Les Vegas. Who pass on in the dance and a style down fashion. With the first and the microphone in a million. Come, they pon the rhythm like a mega stallion. They stick up on the rhythm like a jacket. I make over the cat of a two and I got the big band. Put him in a minute, that's the big store. I'll put him in. Put him a two, put him a try. Well, oh, man, General. Well, Daddy Lizard. Don't worry. Well, you know a long time we're talking on the place here, no man. Come! Can over here on it? Yes. Oh, you don't know what you know, Massey. Oh, what is this, man? I just me, I me run the country, I just me, I me the Calian money, I just me, I me run the country, I just me, I me run the country. What do you know? No Saddamite. Why are you? No Saddamite. Why are you? No Saddamite. Come now, hold up your one if you don't love nobody, man. Hold up your one if you don't like lesbian. Jump around, you know. You know. Second, listen to the lyrics now. Neighbor, just the other day, me go a Mobile City. Book a lot of youth, man, I walk in a passy. Every time that me pass the youth, them a prep me. One look on me pants, both them like it. One look on me shirt, both them like it. Me say, hey young man, who know what hear me? If a man who know what look, nobody look me. Me got me big body girl, they call me Shirley. That the girl, then a run, she will beat you badly. Same time the youth pass and step on me. Me back out me knife, and all fist stab it. The youth go down on me knee and start plead to me. I'm sorry. Me say, boy, I hear him now. A batty man don't pass a next man easily. Say, you know, Hey, if they looking at your face, they find out if they look sexy. Me back out me knife, me say you me know young man. You see him young man, you warm. We don't want nobody man in the dance tonight. Cause if a batty boy come in and they dance me and him going fight, you know why? Cause batty business alright. Same time the youth pass, hear him. Say excuse me, hear me to him like, it's all that you can say. Star, hear me now? Hold it, kid. Call this, I don't want to touch it. You want? We know ain't no bunks in business with nobody on the turntable. If you want bunks, you go bunks a girl. I see a big coconut tree that we have to drop. So hear this. I will not disrespect nobody. Welcome to touch it, Skullman. Yeah. I don't know like this. Everybody, are the word. Let it go. I don't know like this. Now we are talk. The word. Everybody say the word. Everybody say the word. Everybody say the word. Everybody say the word. Here. Are the word. Everybody are the word. No. Most of women landing abroad. Who say me now come back a yard. The yard to me book a young girl named Mad. Mad to go marry me, make it green card. The card, me never know she live with her. Dog, never know she sleep with her. Dog, never know she bed with her. Dog, if you sleep with your dog and you bed with your dog, that means to say the dog and the man and you, so me lay down on her and I ram her too hard. The dog might get jealous and want to draw cat go. Ow, ow, ow. Bam me backyard, me back up me thing. Come back a yard now. Word. The word. The word. The word. Me do. The word. The word. The word. The word. For them a talk about who we a count out. But the bug of them word them a tight us. And them a talk about. The word. The word. For them a talk about who we a count out. But the bug of them word them a tight us. And them a talk about who we a count out. But the bug of them word them a tight us. You want some man living in a Jamaica? The fuck of them mean they never give away prayer. Say one time I used to call them miser. But now this Skullman have a new touch. Then them under them a tight up. And then them under them a tight up. And then them under them die. And then them under them a tight up. Hear this. No, if you are one Titus, and gal pitney no give you no work. If better you go join the Norfolk truck. You don't like no Titus, and you don't like no Titus. Word, the word. Come, lizard. Well, anyhow, we are here. And I get to understand that the gun in the baggy business is plentiful. And the mic head, watch it, man. You're talking about mic head like a girl giving a man head. You see the gun in the baggy business? Girl, let me stop, shut up the man. But hear me, when you're long tail, listen. And me have the bulletproof body. And you see all of the man that have the bulletproof thing? You don't shock out kind of girl can't shot on you. You don't understand what I mean? Come back and tell you we're afraid of. Rude boy. Hey. Now every man say come follow me. Hear this. Me not afraid of jungle. Me not afraid of Rima. Me not afraid of Bota. Who are pressure Africa we afraid of. Gonna raya me afraid of gonna raya. Come. Gonna raya me afraid of gonna raya. Well. Now you see all of the gonna raya thing. Duck. Cars, we're afraid of that. And we have the bulletproof thing. Come again, Kiddy. I never know Kiddy was a selector until tonight. Cause I select God. Now all of the girls then, hold time. Hey. So me not afraid of jungle, me not afraid of Rima, me not afraid of Bota, who are pressure Africa, me afraid of. Gonna raya, me afraid of gonna raya. Come, gonna raya, me afraid of gonna hit them. We have the bulletproof body. We, no girl can't shoot it. We have the bulletproof body. We, no girl can't can't shoot me. Pam pam, oh the girls have a special. Pam pam, oh me say me stop a pussy. Pam pam, oh no girl can't shoot me. Pam pam, oh no girl can't shoot me. Come, no a girl with them call name Patsy. Where she have money coming in the baggy, but not the lizard have the bulletproof body. All of the girl them have to follow me. Said that the lizard mama pull up here. I got it. We have the bulletproof. Well, come in, son. Hold it. Now, I want next to introduce to the people. Now, Mr. Fabulous, step up. Our respect is due to the maximum article bridge in the years. I call my youth cars, you know we live from morning. Can't break your thermos. Touch it!
Yes, Virgin. Sign us, son. Easy. Easy. Watch your chat. Watch your chat. Watch your chat. So Demus could have never back. No pussy get a shot. We can back. You hear me now? Hold on. Me don't night, you know. I don't night, you know. Don't spread no rumor, you know. I don't night, you know. When you hear me flat ranking, I want to see you, you know. You and your family, them, you know, call love, you know. I want to see you, especially the question of flat ranking family, because they come on the dance, you know. I stand there with me love 3 inch. Come down, my youth, can't change my name to Demus, rich and famous. Come down, and then bet boss, them up sign out. Easy. Love a question to all you tell Spice tonight, and I love them to the maximum. Do it, chat. Well time. Enough of them a talk about their name Demus. Enough of them a talk about their name Demus. And we did. Gunshot, all purpose. Some of them have signed us. Watch a virus. Come up, mates. Well time, father stand. On the plane of the land. Grand and grand. Easy man. Play by champion Kingston called creation, outer, inter, creation, inter, creation, outer, international. Channel. But me send up for them a talk about the name Demus. And when me take a stop, me say them a sawdust. They know John that Demus had fortune on dust. The people them a call me rich and famous. But you sleep on the car and them sleep on the bus. So we're at the thing when the ears virus. Tell us a Demus and I name a step up and fuck up and cup up. Them a talk about the Demus bug out. So me go a foreign and the Demus fly out. But make it be the last year me hear from your mouth. Cause you turn it to see them might a chop out. And plug out. And enough of them a talk about the Demus bug out. So you don't know say that them bug out can come in and come out. Yes sir. Papa stand, this is not a doubt. A teapot and sprout. And me nose, me mouth. Show that Demus, him no bug out. If you happy and you love it.
Oh God! Hold on. Cockatoo. There. A flatty ranking step up. And you want it. No flower gun. I don't want you hide, you know. I'm an article bridging to step up. See? Now Jagan, come in. Now you hear me now? If I have 15 little bit. Yeah. Now come down my selector, come there live and direct. Anthony Redrose the about your sin. And I'll go easy. Now Mr. T, step up to the people in car, respect you to the maximum time. Zin. I will tie to all crew. Celestia, I put a star. Come in today.
Now that she's gone stealing, now that she's gone soldier, now that she's gone stealing, there's a lot to do that's ready.
Master, ready?
Now that she's gone, there's a lot of rumors spreading on me. Now that she's gone.
Now your voice so sweet. Oh God.
Oh, and a lot of rumors spreading on me. Listen, now that she's gone, there's a lot of rumors spreading on me. Now that she's gone, there's a lot of rumors spreading on Cocotti. And some said she was tighty, and some said she was flirty, and some said she never stopped playing games on me. And some said she never want me, and some said she only wants feeling.
And some say she only wants OG. But yeah. La 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 la. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. You know the youth, them cockatoo, papas and bunny general. We come for nice tonight and creation. Cockatoo come for round the session. Bam bam, me say what a bam bam. Me say what a bam bam. Oh yeah. Whoa, I want you to know creation is the rubber dub sound. Creation sound, it come pick up the tone. Papa San Cockatoo, Bonnie General, along with the youth call we come and Juna Demus and man called Skullman. Redrose and Daddy Lizard, and the youth call Flower Cover, and the youth call Dirt Man. Creation go round the session. Cockatoo lad at the microphone. Bam bam. What a bam bam in a Spanish town. Yes, a cockatoo company nice of the town. Special request to the bungles too. Cockatoo in my past too. They say me ram dance and make a party. Now all of the youth them shout out for me. Now second papa son you done big already. Now second dirt man you come for second steady. What a bam bam, what a bam. Our sneak preview. Come on and love me. Love me too. Now. When me come, you come to tear the dancehall down. But when me come, you come to tear the dancehall down. So now, love me. Love me truly. Say the Spanish town, pass you away. Come on, they say they love me. Love me truly. Hey, take it on. Special request to the Spanish town posse. I first cockatoo, I sing ya, you see. Long time now, said they want to hear me. They want to hear some roots and some reality. So love me, truly, love me truly. Oh, three big sounds, string up a dancehall. Gemini and the one city rock. Along with the sound call creation. When we start to play, man, it bring a bam bam. So you love me. Love it, and I want to talk to your mama and daddy. See what they can do for me. You know, a lot of man not get no woman tonight. She would have. Oh, a lot of man not get no woman tonight, Lord. But woman no ration. Look how much woman in this station. And some guy a John them can't get one. Hold up your one if you're not John. You a get a woman. Oh yo, Cockatoo and Papa San they make the dance all wrong. From down across me force we in a combination, lad. So come in, Papa San. No Cockatoo, you are down now. You know, sir. So come, woman, man, style, and a pattern, soon, open, old pan, no, Mr. Them, top of the version, Papa San. them out the microphone and I may just rub it up. Kick up on the rhythm like a major layer. Come now, take up on the rhythm like a jacket as a man. There's a numbers and I got a mess and numbers and a break. This is easy, gentlemen, I stand up on the king and the ring. Oh, Mr. The man, top of the rhythm like a lizard on the limb. I'm the kick up on the rhythm like a tire on the rim. Rupas and then and then that's me and the DJ king. We say when I run all cocotti, him running.
Love is you, woo, 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 in a creation style. Should it dip, 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 come in, Papa San again, yeah.
Oh God, I come, cocotti.
Why, sweet, sweet, sweet tea. Hey,
What one ENT?
Yeah. Jano, I saw dance all nice whenever time we come. Sing, step up.
Well, you the song. This is not a toy. You're ramping with the rough neck sound. The little sound boy, it's not your time to play. Lock off your sound boy and let free.
Gunfire. And when I mean gunfire, I don't mean a ball of fire, I mean gunshot with lead. I hear Remington a while ago, God no. I not trace that, a Remington. Remington, touch it, sweetie.
You know this is sound of the champion sound, yeah. Come on. This is not a toy. You're ramping with creation sound. The little sound boy, it's not your time to play. Lock off your sound boy and let creation play. Cause we will cook for you. Cook for you. Little sound boy. Little DJ, it's not your time to DJ. Top up the DJ and make Papa San DJ. We will boss you. We will boss you. Little sound boy. So you would creation in the Lord. You would no. Say I'm not sure anymore. Sometimes I'd walk the streets of gold, but the places that I knew was sunny and blue. Yes, I say it every time. Creation sound come to blow your mind, because I have no fear when I'm saying it, and I'm saying it everywhere that creation sound is a number one. Yeah. Creation sound is a number one. You know, yeah, please. Ease up, batty boy, boat. And if you don't ease up, Jack will set the whole place on fire. Later will be greater. Crocodile in your ear.
They said that Jimmy Saga was a distant pastor. Jimmy teach them like a damn church sister. Some of them a call me the lyrics director. Stand up on the rhythm and make them figure the yard. Lick it on the roots, me have it, that shit on the culture. Me have it the roots, me and the power in the powder. Take up on the general, you want the ghost rider. Easy Papa San, you want the dancehall teacher. Sit down on the rhythm and me sit down so proper. Dance on the rhythm, me go figure the yard. When time me come and the microphone stand, everything say them a come and them a shake off me and them say go on Papa San, you want the dance all done. Whenever time me come me and the two champion is. Now come again with the same rhythm, can't turn the rose on just every time scene. Now touch it, Redrose. Flatty, wheel up. Flatty wanted by June and Demus. And the gate, see? Yo! Wheel up. Flatty wanted by June and Demus at the gate, see? Is that what I'm saying? Now, all of the crew, enough respect, see? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You know. Sound, how you do? This is the creation we're passing through. We're all laughing at you. Your fans is laughing too. Like basketball, a sound boy rise, they have to fall. The dub plates that we used to play, I say we throw them all away in the middle of the dance. Got no time to mix with a zinc pencil. But how could I let you get away when I knew I got a lot of dubs to play? You know, early in the morning you put breakfast on my table. I make sure that my coffee has its sugar and cream. All my eggs are over easy, though toast it's lightly. And all that missing is your morning kiss that used to greet me. Now you say the juice is sour. It used to be so sweet, but I can't help but to wonder if you're talking about me. And we don't talk the way we used to talk. It hurting so deep. I've got my pride, I will not cry, but it making me weak. I'm not your Superman. I'm not the kind of guy that you can lay down and think that everything is okay. Girl, I am only you, more.
Here now. Yes, creation it are the champion sound. Here, here, oh. On then the sound, them a hear that sound. Here, here, yo, yo. Yes, creation it on the champion sound. Here, here, yo, yo, yo. On then the sound, them a hear that sound. Here, here, yo, yo. Creation them fit, 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 fit down with LT, fit, fit, fit. Fit enough the plate, fit. Now it's down.
You see a man in, we can't shake and talk a lot of things, you know, the clash. But you see tonight, a football we have to score tonight. It's on the China score.
Cockatoo.
Burn tonight.
Come in, sir.
And a pass it in there talk to.
Respect.
Both of them want to play against creation.
Relive Fray, when you join you and tell the Irie cards.
You know, you're the sweetest.
I want some of the money for the sound work now.
That's why they can't wait. All of the girl people
I respect you all too. Oh God. Follow me.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Creation sound. A roadblock. Anyway, creation playing a jump down. Is the worries another need?
Go to selection and place. What time?
Creation play. A roadblock. Anyway, creation play. A roadblock. We play in the east. A roadblock. And we play down the west.
Love, level.
A roadblock.
Yeah, you know.
And we play out the north. A roadblock. We play in the south.
Play by the champions, so go Bishop October. Bitches. Spiral time.
In a sound class.
You know.
When it comes to lyrics, a papa can run that.
Now pitching easy.
When it comes to
Big in New York.
when it's gonna run that. Anyway, creation play. A roadblock. Anyway, creation play, boy, yeah. A roadblock. Second Mama G. A roadblock. Roadblock. Second Shiny Man. A roadblock. Book, this is international dance for creation, boy. A roadblock. Play. A roadblock.
Flatty rock, you don't want it up front, see? No flatty, come in.
Give the wallet. Flatty ranking. You want it by Junior Demus right now at the gate, you know. Oh, you bumper clock go on, so there's a report before you cut your fucking throat, you know.
Easy activity as attack. Same go on. Now you say that the monks, because we're there for juggle some lyrics to the people, them, you see? John know too much DJ there, God know. Every man have to work, you know, I say it go. Now come on, my selector. I respect Joe to the maximum. I come to part 2 style. Kind of wicked and wild and versatile, you know. Now, piece of the whole time. Oh, give me now. Give me now, sound. Lord have mercy, mercy, mercy. Up a Sunday at the party, party, party. We say what you feeling, Irie, Irie, Irie. We say what you feeling sexy. Follow me. Now watch on me, ya watch them, I watch them, I watch on me, ya. All them a do Lord, them can't have me. Watch him, I watch him, I watch him, I watch it. Come. All them a do Lord, them can't have shit. Just we have your one, you're not fishy, watch man come. Put up your one, you're the take a lot. Up a Sunday at the dance and will. Is. Hold it. Get the ranking, make a talk to the people in first. Hold it. Now the other day we come down and some little guy I try to test me. I used to try to talk some nasty lyrics and things. Never send me apology to the people every time, see? Because I'm loving a bad, so I say no. I may apologize for certain kind of undecent language and I talk, see? Now they look at this one to all of you with them and all juvenile will tight. Come down my selector again, can respect you to the maximum, you see? Now hear this. I said this year, we're going to take the trophy set speed. You know why? Come on, can't stop me, me say them can't stop me. Say all them a do, me say they can't stop me. Follow me, can't stop me, me say they can't stop me. Come on, all them a, you know. Me come to run things this year, DJ, better fear DJ. I tell some me him a fi John off, give me another. Well, I'm not DJ again, I swear. I chat nasty, this a mess up, me carry me off it. But me say fi get the DJ fi the ear. Me go send apology to all me fans out there. I am sorry to expose my ignorance and to express my biggest mentality. Anxiety, this drama, personality. What a good way to express my verbosity. Now you get the apology, then make it clear. No back to the lyrics, let me tell you from real. Come again, selector. Come again, kind of soldier. You got to be clever. One more time, selector, man. No ninja, man. Anyway, they must hear this. Intelligent. Couple wrong things this year, make a well prepare. DJ I tell some me aim off a draw enough, give me now go. Well I no DJ again, I swear. I chat nastiness I mess up, me carry me off it. But I miss if I get the DJ for the ear. Me go send apology to all my fans out here. I am sorry to expose my ignorance and to express my piggish mentality. Anxiety destroy my personality. What a good way to express my verbosity. Now you get the apology, then me go clear. Now back to the lyrics, let me tell you from where. We respect that the royalty one brigadier. We set a foundation for we down here. Me pants choose to patch and me shirt choose to tear. That's why me have to try to reach somewhere. If you have ambition, put your hand in the ear. If you don't have none, kindly disappear your culture. Real! I'm again the selector. Now come again there. Now you know a ninja man there. You must hear them right from the dictionary. Because we're well educated. Sin. Come down again my selector. Sin. We don't talk about no dead blood clot. Hear this. Come now, conscious lyrics, you must fling down. Talk about the star and the moon and the sun. Tell Natty Dread, send the city of a bun. I tell both of the Mandela freedom. I talk about the drugs, them like opium. I talk about the youth, them we living in the slum. I tell Batman to run out the jam down. I tell lesbians, say they living as I don't know about the belly people. Them boss your 14 gun. Or you a mother lash and have 18 tongue. When you come a stage show, make them have fun in that the people them to the maximum. Let me give you the DJ teaching to every DJ, and this is the warning. Papa stand up on the microphone chanting. No matter I'm not indicated feeling. Me I go give you some word with meaning. So cut your ears and keep on listening. Instability it mean lack of firmness. Audacity it mean boldness and fearless. Or see is a woman with damn workless to confuse people. It means you're perplex. To incarcerate, we put in a prison. Infinity it means something bound to happen. The one in it is a fool and stupid person. Curiosity, I will know nothing about something. Controversy, dispute, agreement, hypertrophy. It mean excessive development. Now when you're blast, you're too nicely, you are discursive. You is worthy. Emancipated mean to be free. And in polite you are unmannerly. Inculcate, teach repeatedly. Genie adjective is study but familiar history. When you are qualified, your is eligibility. Common and disturb that's tranquility. My name is Daddy Sammy, the Ram Dance Daddy. They are teacher for you. And you can't test me, my name is Tiwa Arrow, anything, H-O-N-P, so when. But when they come and dance, man, I will lay problems and on the mic. Go real. Now, Bonnie General, I want you to touch a car, respect you.
Well, hold it, kitty. Don't put on an eagle. Well, the other day, you know, They tell them about a boy with sex a goat. And next man wine a donkey. The other day, me there in England and sitting at the inquiry, a man from Olava named Bird. Wine a dog, and me bet. I call the dog with bone, but him, come fluff it, come for bone. Them thing then alright, man. Where you where Bird do know? Kitty! Ho! 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 All Bird can't come a Spanish sound, I'm like you know, say him, you know. Cause you don't know where you go. Hear the slow! Lord have mercy, mercy, mercy. Money to the wall in the mana. Renew. Hold up your one if you know animal man. Hold up your one if you know sex animal. Hold up your one if you know animal man. Jump around, you know. Give me no sir. I had a sad story to tell you know. Go the people. I said it might hurt on no feelings, but it's true. What no? Me there England and see one Jamaica. Which was a man from who will lift up. Oh, and that till the man should have go to jail and then beat him day and night and don't give him no bail. Me feel fuck up, me feel fuck up. I look and fall. A man a old dog, I kiss up and hug up. Them man like them, they want tie up and chop up. The reason why me vex people, the dog never brown. Me hear the dog black. The man wind the dog till he reach Dovecock. Then go in him house, back out some cash, take one taxi and reach a pet shop. When he reach, he see a dog lay down pan a mat. He call to the lady, want know much with that. He say how much? For that dog, hear the window. He said, I wonder if that dog is for sale. Hear the man now, he want a dog like the one way you want a whole lava. But the man said, don't give me no dog to make me go to jail. So me say people, I saw no better look out. You better watch out. You better people, me I want no men, cause them my wine goat and go wine dog again. Lord of mercy, I did this ticket up right here. Shaman, Skullman.
What a dangerous youth. Come kill the ram skin. Coming around. The youth are rough for years. I used to the last clash with Ninja Man and Papa San. You never there. I mean never there.
Oh, you don't know saying you made it there. I'm going to tell the son, said don't trouble him. Call me have the baggy like Ninja too. But I don't know, we must buck up.
Original chaser. Come! Oh! Come we have a new lick. And the pirate in the top touch you want nothing. I don't start this girl, man. I'm passing through. Want me partner, me want partner draw. Want me partner, me want me partner, me want me partner draw. Cause partner business, don't big money business. It help me to mind me family. Me wife for make it. Boy, you have to know who the Ross you want time partner with. It's a cock. Man, every woman can always depend on. So when you want and you want it, you go to loving and get you go to satisfaction. Cause the girls, them know what is, them know what no soft man. The girls, them know what is, them know what no mama man. The girls, them know what is, them know what no batty man. The girls, them know what is, no one no pussy watch man. For them a of the world.
One more time, kid. Come again. Come again. Now, I can't for move, you know. 640 AC. Move right now. Toyota scene. A bigger move. Now come again, the skull cause. I've attacked something for the people, them, cause you know, so we drop it every time. Come again, the my selector, cause you big every time. Now let's have to all crew. Yeah. Lord have mercy, mercy, mercy. Put us on in the party. She puddin'. Follow me. She puddin'. At the word. Don't listen to me style. Listen to me style. Listen to me style because the well-versed get to come now. Bring up a skull. I'm in the sun. We're the only papa well left on the island. We're just with general and playing with gargan. Don't hear we in the style, hear we in the. It go ring, ding, 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 ding. You know we not. Rapam, papam, pam, pam, every cabin. Puddin', at the word. Roll up. My selector, come again. Now preacher, there. I go juggle one more piece of lyrics and Lego like the preacher on it. Come again to my selector, see? You know, sir? Hey, down the mercy. Papa Sunday at the party. Hope you're feeling Irie. Me say, but you're feeling sexy. Follow me, you know, sir. Me cry. Punks, get they come now. With this and now, with whatever sound, they follow me now. Punks, get they come now. With this and now, with whatever sound. We come missing them, double it, them, so them, double it version. Easy, Papa, and now, one leg of the call. Now, make them, open the gap of the dome, and I get set up the live band. Burn a minute, and live it too. I'll follow me. What am I doing now? What am I trying? Jump is the cut, whatever sign, whatever fashion. Just come and look at the past. They give me a spot, me, whatever, no, they'll me in the ass. Me, drop me, I'm not fight. I'm in a kind of give me the Michael, give me the them, let me show you on me fast. Become like a machine when me a stand up, come in a sell back. Come in, live and live, I'm talking to take them up, you better get back. Look at me, stand and look at me, stand up, to me like a thing for the young, them can follow me, no, put them ready, me gun, look at me, tongue of flash. When me put them in the microphone, I'm in the back, I'm in the love picture. Put them in the first time, I'm in the fight, I'm like a step, come together, give me the best, I'm the kid. Let me just stand out to the money, I'm in the feet, I pissed up. Better open the ears and this, so I can look for so many facts. You can never love, and never live, but do not envy the black. Put them in the gun, take them in the name, they're gonna put them back, because the children from the cup. The step with the back up and start to end up in a dog catch. Whenever they want, they put up put man in a trap. They all them do and all them try them up their friend, they block it down, they take a look at this and take a look at that, they pull this, they pull that. But when they say that pull, they want to make a punch up. They block it, but they don't have one dog spot. I'm the cover, I'm the coffee. Who look this up, they buy. Burn a minute, 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 because they put the bridge on the first and the purpose and then they dance. I sit down fashion with the first and them up the microphone in the mayor. I make a general be in a combination. That's right.
Send a message to Mary, but don't tell her where I am. You can tell her about creation, tell her that I make the dance around. But we no afraid of no sound, and we no afraid of no pan. Pussy take the broken foot up on them man. I make them know about the general, the great purpose and land that they make the dance around. That's why they pass it in the mouth to shake off the yard. So me balance it, when you want down, I cannot take and you don't. Cause we can always go listen creation. When you want down, I cannot take and you don't. We can always go listen creation. They get mashed up, they get mashed up, get mashed up, get mashed up. I sound one test, they sound fuck up. We put them in a can and make you all of them jack up. I make them know say creation sweet like syrup. We can't take it vibes when you sound what you bring up. But in a this a dance a pussy wall can push up. A boy try this, pow, get shut up. Them a fi hold them can all of them and go jack up. And when me hold them mic that the vibes have to build up. The woman and man in the dance them a kick up. They say big one bunny of the whole place a pull up. And know say me sweet just like a ketchup. But in a this a dance whatever sound one put up. They can't take a vibe, none of them can get mash up. All this and in a world they have the world. 40 nights she no wash her in between. 30 days she no take a bath. And she have some dirty company. A papa son see you on a part. Me say the girl nah no mine. I know the blouses girl nah no mine. Oh guys, I come sign I feature up on the turntable. And do remember 6400 AC. Let me see a big thinking car there when I can move those. See?
Road. A big thinking car, move it out the road now. Sunday! Our bungus promotion. Rice and peas and chicken. Bram. Yeah. Now Jano selector. Come down, call like the preacher of the boat. I come sign a feature. With a man like Wayne the Crucial Wonder Selection, Selassie Conviction, no flat making multi-zine. Now come down massive, car respect you to the maximum.
Creation crew, and all massive, I want to know the creation fresh every time. Now creation with Papa San and Wayne the Wonder, shock out now this.
Don't make me easy.
So Wayne the Wonder.
Oh God, that's television. Creation man. Son. Oh yeah. Sound guy. Creation killer sound guy.
Down with my like King Miguel on the place. One time.
Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. From zero, get nothing to lose. Maybe we'll kill a sound guy. Cause creation sound got nothing.
Now Gemini must hold tight. Now we hold tight. Respect Mr. Gemini.
Oh
See?
yeah.
I'll sit you at must hold tight. Respect.
Hey, creation kill a sound guy. I've got a plan just to get it on the hair. Creation sound keep working. Manage to save a little bit of money. Don't have the time
Oh,
for
Marky. Marky from Boston. Big. I'm on like Jimmy Christian Orson.
Creation sound rule. I got a feeling creation kill a sound guy. I got a feeling creation
front.
Cause if you're gonna run, there's no place
Immediately.
for creation be waiting there.
Make it fast.
Along with Papa Son, yes, him have no fear. So don't you try touch my style. But wait, they wonder I'm wicked and wild. So don't you know creation kill a sound boy? Don't you know creation kill a sound boy? Sorry for a sound guy.
No, RR 5829 move your car. No.
Sorry for a sound guy. Sorry for them. Sorry for a sound guy. Pray for them. Father, forgive them, cause they know not what
Now,
they
brother,
do.
you want it by Ben. See?
He who that tested creation.
Hold up, kid, hold up.
Down, no,
Now, RR 59 move your car right now. RR 5829 move your car now. No, brother, you want it by Ben. See? Now, come down again. Come can't have this here. Don't bother with it. Come in the studio. We'll request, will it kiddie, to all of the master for the police. See? Mother G, respect. All the bungles of respect. All the tight security, man like Mr. Leng, easy. Banky and all of the master. Well, all girls, easy. Well, it's the drug addict them now. We don't cater for them. Run it, kiddie. See? Easy to the choice. First from New York. Easy. Take life easy. Take it cool and steadily. Warm and easy. Well, because give me no brass stone, give me no cocaine. I said to give me the real thing. Give me no brass stone, give me no cocaine. I said to give me the real thing. Say I don't wanna be the one who is a parapinatic, no. I don't wanna be the one who is a big drug addict. So give me no brass stone, give me no cocaine. I said to give me the real thing. Give me no brass stone, give me no cocaine. I said to give me the real thing. Para me parawanta mi pronto. Jumbo with the pelico. Para me parawanta mi pronto. Jumbo with the pelico. I don't wanna be the one who is a big drug addict, no. I don't wanna be the one who is a parapinatic, so give me no brass and don't give me no cocaine. I said to give me the real thing. Give me no brass and don't give me no cocaine. I said to give me the real thing. So hold up your one if your body sensy, and push up your one if your body plenty, and all of them massive for a jump with me. So give me no brass and don't give me no cocaine. I said to give me the real thing. Give me the real thing. Ooh, so coming that is Sonia.
Yeah, hold on there. Hey son, I'm on one where you really live. See? Not touch a piece still, but tell me where you live.
Oh God. Everyone like you don't know where I live. I thought the Here it is. Hold it, kid. Hold it. Move in. My brother say I must fix your brother's strap.
Oh God. What do we have to? Well, Papa Stan, you want to me to keep a safe through, but you want to say, I don't know where you live, so I want you direct me. Which one I can't find, I see if I can't come tell you what I want.
Now, preacher, you believe now? You don't. Take a walk up to the bus stop. Take the red bus, you can load on the top. Then you go in at the bus, you ask the Mad Max and tell him to carry at the secret spot. In case you don't ask, make me tell you about what. Well, I see it at the scene that you sit down and watch. Make sure you come off at the first bus stop. Then you cross the road, you pass a little shop. You could only go further till you reach a dirt track. Now take the dirt track, go on the hilltop. Right for your man, I sell jelly coconut. No go left, no go right, and no bother turn back. Galax straight ahead till you reach pan the flat. When you reach pan the flat, why take out your knife? Take up a big stone and ready for your fight. Cause some dog down there, let me kill you with bite. Bite up your backside, was a if a night. No, take the straight, make the first right, make the first left at the first street light. I go pass a big store and a hydrant pipe and a big sign mark vegetarian delights. I know, that's how me live. Go down further, pass the ball field, then you cross the gutter. You go see your high fence with paper wire. Just pass and go until you reach the center. You go see your cane piece and a cow pasta. Take the cane piece, the way the shorter you can. Yam sugar cane, cause they sweet like sugar. A cool for you while I ease off your temper. Don't go you see a sign mark, don't enter. Don't take the road there, not the one that danger. Make the right turn that the road the better. Make sure you wear boot and beware Wamaka. Don't take the little track, take you to a river. You're not journey not deep. A shallow water. Then you take your little time till you cross over. And you actually reach in my area. You're gonna see a sign mark. Dumpy Kakara with a big auntie girl where them work over ya. With a whole heap of drum where they play come in the island. This island of Shaker and Greater. Right beside it you have a small little lane. And if you fit take, pick up on the main. When you go up on the main, you not have no complaint. It's easy if you walk, if you go and take a train. No, after that you know what you do next. Make the first right and the first keep to left. Then you go down to the bottom, it's a nice little stretch. You see a right turn, and it's you fit take. You go see a little store when me buy me bracelet. A woman cross the road, she has said something from right there, so you have couple more steps. No matter is it yet, but sit down and rest now. After that you know what to do again. Make the first right for you reach at the bend. You look down the road, you see all of my friend. You see a little church mark ribbon again. Now take the shot, go through the. You understand? Come again, the candy. No, but him last. Him last. People them say him last. You don't hear me live yet. Here it comes. I nice to the final tune, and they will tune in Gemini. Jano, me a show there. We're not to get fit out, but I don't
Creation crew, Roddy Irie attack, man.
Jano.
Kid it, no problem. Watch for the sound boy over there, so. Watch for all them box them, few on the Madden Crashers. Can't talk to you, kid it. Remember that Papa San, your ears.
Come down to the ranking.
Dirts, man.
I know we work already.
Respect. A Christian over there, so. A creation run here, so. So, here we are now.
Oh, God.
All of the girls, them just found on a man mascot. Show me never bother telling.
Me no reach him.
I'm not new.
My boy last. Why?
Why? Not only boy can preach across the border and go from creation.
Do it.
They just can't preach across the border and go from creation. Well, hold it. Hold on, search for. Hold up. You don't have to be a brand new creation I play. You don't listen to you. Sure. I don't know. I want to take on the dump in the power. Where you going now? Oh, yes, man.
Now, Tony wanted my Rambo sing. Set spirit to me.
Why?
Reaching out, Christian champions, so back it up.
Why?
Easy. Now, big up the man on the place all time. Respect to every time, see? Malibu selection up playing. Play man of him as a champion, so. All time broke down. 14 floor. No Cassie, 16 cassava. Selector, is up. I come to man like Everton Fray. Now step up my youth, cause them can't for this year. Come down, million of his original Redrose.
Well, never you worry in life because it's we run things. Well, all the girls them and all youth and youth in the place just hold tight. All creation crew, easy. Easy for me. Yes, my pretty blue eyes. Yes, my pretty blue eyes. Yes, I like your style. My pretty blue eye, what I have to say, but I can tell you how much I care because I love you. Love you, pretty blue eyes. My pretty blue eyes, what I have to say, but I can tell you how much I care because I love you. Love you, pretty blue eyes. Saw you at my window. My heart keeps a beat. Sit by your doorstep so that I can see. Pretty blue eyes, what I have to say, but I can tell you how much. Hear this. Well, never you worry. Hear this. Don't go. Please stay. Don't go. Please If I call out your name like a stranger in the dark, not to leave me alone with my broken heart. So how out that door, then she did turn and go, but this time be different in some ways. Don't go. So I like the song that makes the whole world sing. I like the song that gives a special dream, yeah. I like the song that makes the young girls cry. I like the song, I like the song.
Now Simple Simon original boat coming and can respect you for years, see?
Yeah, man. Tell all bad boy was tight and murderer. Cause this a gun boy style. And cowboy style too. Lord of mercy. Oh yes. Oh God. No little boy by the name of Billy Red wake up one early morning with his double motor Remington, going on a midnight robbery on the hit him with a SLR. Nobody never know Billy Boy was a murderer. Hang down, you get murderer. Sink down, you get in cry. Hang down, you get murderer. Popo, you gonna die. Murderer, you gonna die. I don't show anymore. 20 years I'm a day in my own. The place I try to hide, where sunny and blue pot. Every creation youth is a star. Who gonna go hide? Not me and you. Every creation youth is a star. Yes, they are superstars. Oh yes, adios amigo, adios my friend. The road some trouble has come to an end. Down in the West Texas town of El Paso, I fell in love with a Mexican girl. Nighttime I found her in Rose's casino. Music we play and fell in love with her.
Nice. Now Gemini, your turn.
Gregor.
Listen. Looks like the sun, it doesn't shine for me. Still I'm a live.
May I show you, man? It's just niceness, see? You see, right now, I don't know clash business tonight, you know. It's just niceness. Cause Glamour, you know, my blood brother, Silver Finger, come from my area, see? So you want now? We just have a nice up the place. Harry Bungers dance up a nice. All creation massive, all Gemini massive, and all City Rock massive. It's just total niceness. And when you listen to this tune now, after that a Gemini, see? Easy cockatoo.
Looks like the sun, it doesn't shine for me. Still I'm a living, trying to be free. But freedom is a must, I know. No matter how they fuss and go on. Because I read these things in prophecy. When the rain stops falling down and they got no water, they're gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that they were under. And when the stars start falling down and fire's burning, red hot, there will be weeping and a gnashing of teeth, and everyone will be mourning. A whole lot of people will be mourning. Everyone will.
I wanna say rewind, monks man, hold tight. One more time, then Gemini. Hold tight, Papa San. Easy.
Looks like the sun, it doesn't shine for me.
Article youth Freddie McGregor, man.
Still I'm a living, trying to be free. But freedom is a must, I know. No matter how they fuss and go on. Because I read these things in prophecy.
Mic check 1, 2.
Walk one ENT.
They're gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that they were under. And when the stars start falling down and fires burning, red hot, there will be weeping and a gnashing of teeth, and everyone will be mourning. A whole lot of people will be mourning. Everyone will be mourning. Sinners, you will be mourning. Looks like the moon, it doesn't shine for me. Wonder why? I always try to do right in the people's side. Well, but freedom is a must, I know. No matter how they fuss and go on. Because I read these things in prophecy. Here is what it says. When the rain stops falling down and they got no water, they're gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that they were under. And when the stars start falling down and fires burning, red hot, there will be weeping and a gnashing of teeth, and everyone will be mourning. A whole lot of people will be mourning. Everyone will be mourning. Sinners, you will be mourning. Oh, well, well.
Foundation. Mr. Cole Gregory, man. Respect to the maximum, you know. Respect.
Lord, could I think about you, large or small? Here come your few rule thoughts all. So go into little donation to enemies and friends, yeah. Roughneck that my streets again. Dip, 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 dip. Lord. Murder in the dance again. There is a murder in the dance hall. One dubby play and the next sound fall. Tonight a murder in the dance hall. Oh, why you this? Sound boy, why you disrespect me? Why you this? Oh boy.
Hold on there, Gregory. Hey, hold on, hear me. Gregory, don't do it. Hey, you say Gregory, what are they kidding? What are they? You say Gregory Isaac. You say Gregory Isaac. We love him like a fly love shit. And you know me and Gregory Isaac a parent partner call. When they are studio at the time of I saw the wrong. So what if my next little piece from Gregory Isaac from him left us up? Gregory Isaac, you know what people love your body, no man. Alright? Oh, you ready there again? Can't say me never did I warn you. You can't say so. Can't say me never did I warn you. You can't say so. Are you ready now? Bam! Yes! You know we work.
Walk one ENT.